Hello, I'm Carlo Henita from Cagayan Valley, Yellow Diamond Executive Director, member of Sante Elite Philippines. My life before Sante was really uncertain. I'm not really sure kung anong gagawin ko sa buhay. Kaya sa babalik sa employment na mag-start all over again, I found Sante and I can say na eto na nga and dito na nabago lahat. That's a real blessing for me being with this company. I can do more, gawa nung napakaraming incentive ng ating company, of course, tulad ng car incentive, gadget incentive, travel incentive, although it's not a bed of roses, sabi nga. We keep on helping them to grow, yung mga partners natin. Hindi yung tayo lang yung nag-grow. As a leader, you have to consistently work hard and of course, help your team to grow. Hard work beats talent if talent doesn't work hard. Kahit gaano ka kagaling, kung tamad ka naman, it will be useless yung kagalingan mo. Never take advantage of your members. Kasi remember, pantay-pantay lahat. By taking our products, I can live more kasi yung energy level mo will stay longer. You'll be energized. Kumbaga yung energy level mo lagi is mataas para sa mga partners, para sa mga activities, para sa mga ginagawa namin na related dito and even not related sa Sante. With Sante, I can live more, do more.